Hey guys, so I'm gonna be doing some faux locks for my trip this week. So we're gonna see how it works out. I've never done faux locks before, so right now I'm gonna be doing the braid down or just sectioning off my hair to do some plaits. I'll probably start attaching it tomorrow. It is currently 9:49 p.m. so I'm probably gonna do the rest of it tomorrow, but I'm gonna try to do what I can from tonight because, you know, I'm trying to get this done. I will be using the All Day Locs braid gel. I decided to pick this up to try it, and I did use it on my boyfriend's mom's braids yesterday, and it did come out pretty good, and the hold was. So we're gonna see how well it works with my hair because my hair is thicker. This is not going to be a tutorial like in depth because this is the first time I'm doing these faux locks, these individual faux locks. So we're going to see how it comes out. I'm going to do the braid down. I'm going to attach it to see how, you know, how it's going, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I do it. So let's go. All right, I am almost finished. I just have my crown to do, which are just the two top rows. And I'm going to show you guys how I am attaching the hair, the method that I am using. So the hair that I got is supposed to be a 1B3027. I got the hair off Amazon, and I will link everything in the description box below. But the color, to be honest, looks more like a T27. There's not much of a ombre going, in my opinion, especially when it comes to having the 1B at the top. So when I did get my kinky twist hair, like, you can definitely see a difference because the top isn't 1B. But either way, we're gonna be working with it. So this is what I do. I attach my crochet hair to my crochet needle, and then from my little braid down that I did, braided down my hair until about here, and then I just twisted it and stuff. I am going to go in with my braid gel and kind of just smooth the ends out. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hook the latch on my hair so I can pull my crochet hair through. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to the top, pull my hair through the crochet needle that's attached to the root of my braid and pull it through. And this is how we are going to kind of, you know, adjust based off like length and how we want to do it. But I am going to be putting this one a little up closer, and then I'm just twisting my hair around. And that is pretty much how I attach it. It is in there, and then I'm gonna go in and take a little piece of my twist hair. So this is, I think, 12 inches. Sometimes I cut it and sometimes I don't, but I realize when I do cut this hair in half, it like just starts to like fall apart when I start twisting it, which allows me to like lose hair. So sometimes it doesn't fully cover up and I have to like go back in to rewrap a few. I don't need the lock to be like super duper perfect, but I do want like my hair to be protected as good as possible. So I have my piece of hair. So what I'm gonna do is, I think for this one, actually, because I did it so short, I am going to bend the hair in half, and that is how I'm going to attach it. So I'm going to hook my crochet needle in the root of my hair again, and that is how I'm attaching my kinky twist hair. You do not have to attach your hair. If you don't want to, you can just start twisting, but to help me with grip and stuff, I do attach mine. So once that is done, I'm pretty much just gonna leave a little piece and I'm gonna hook it. Not hook it, but I'm gonna hold it in place, and the direction in which the crochet is made, that's the direction I'm gonna like wrap the hair around. So in this way, I guess it's like counterclockwise, it'll be that way. So that's what I'm doing, and then I'm just gonna start wrapping, and I wrap the roots about 2-3 times depending on like the thickness and just like how much hair I'm using, and then I just wrap it around like that to try and cover up my hair as best as possible. And I just wrap it around all the way down until I am finished with the hair. And then when I'm done, I just rub it together like that. And that is pretty much how I do my locks. And I'm kind of doing like a medium size, but yeah, that is pretty much how I'm doing them. Let me just pull out these like 2 sections that I twisted earlier so you guys can see how it looks right now. I'm hoping these curly hens hold up in the water, but this is pretty much how they look right now.